Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Google Meet account, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your account is set up properly for video conferencing. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to meet.google.com. Sign in using your Google account credentials. Step 2. Google Meet is integrated with your Google account, so email verification happens through your main Google account settings rather than separately in Meet. Step 3. If you see any verification prompts, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the Meet homepage. Step 4. Select Manage your Google account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 5. In your Google account settings, click on Personal Info in the left sidebar to view your account information. Step 6. Locate your email address in the Contact Information section. If it's not verified, you'll see an option to verify it. Step 7. Click on Resend Verification Email if needed. Google will send a verification email to your inbox. Step 8. Open your email and look for the verification message from Google with a subject line like Verify your email address. Step 9. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your email address. This will redirect you to Google and automatically verify your account. Step 10. Return to Google Meet and refresh the page. Your account should now be fully verified and ready to use for creating and joining video meetings. Step 11. For Google Workspace accounts used in educational or business settings, your organization's administrator may handle verification. Contact your IT department if you encounter verification issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.